Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I wanna introduce you a trading strategy that is based on the reversal of the trend from dynamic levels. Stay with me. So far, some strategies have been introduced on the channel, as well as videos on the psychology of candles have been posted on the channel. Be sure to watch the videos. It will help you to recognize better and more correct positions in trading, both with psychology and with strategies. The strategy that I want to talk about today is based on chart movement on dynamic levels. Before that, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and send it to your friends. Broker registration links are placed in the description section under all the videos. Click on the link, get a demo account of $10,000 and start practicing and trading. Okay, let's go to today's video. The strategy that I want to introduce to you today is done in a different time. The time of the candles in this strategy should be 15 seconds and the time of trade should be fixed at 1 minute. Click on the switch time button and set the time to 1 minute. The trading time in this strategy should be 4 times the candle time, but the indicator we want to add to the chart is the alligator indicator. Subtract one number from each of the elements of this indicator. 12, 7, 7, 4, 4, and 2. In order for the lines to be seen better, I will increase the thickness of the leaves line a bit. I will also make the teeth line bigger and the jazz line bigger and change its color. Okay, our indicator is added, but how does this strategy work? In downward trends, if you pay attention, the lines of this indicator are our dynamic levels. So, whenever the chart returns to our dynamic levels in a downward trend and receives rejection and pressure and then forms a return candle, we enter a 1 minute sell trade. If you look here, we had 1 position, 2 positions, 3 positions, and 4 and even 5 positions entering the sell trade. And on the contrary, in the upward trends, when the trend reverses from the dynamic levels, we enter into a 1 minute buying trade with the buyers. So, we don't trade in places where the market has a sideways trend. Look here, we don't trade in such trends. So, whenever the 3 indicator lines are tied together, that is, they cut each other in this way, we do not trade. So, this strategy is only done in uptrends or downtrends. Okay, I will make a few trades so that you can learn how to trade with this strategy. Now, look here and see how these indicator lines are tied together. So we are not trading here. the upward trend, we are waiting for the return of the candles from the dynamic levels. As you can see, it is passing through our level, so we are not doing anything. Downward trend. This is where we could enter the trade. Now, look at this chart. We are not trading here. Be careful. You must have enough practice with the strategy in the demo account. As you can see, this is a good place to enter the trade. The trend is uptrend. I entered a lower trade. If you look, my candle received pressure and rejection from the dynamic level, and this has happened before. That's why I entered a sell trade for a minute. Well, okay, the upward trend has started. If you see here, the place of change and correction of the trend is upward again, which means that my candles receive pressure from the dynamic level. That's why we entered the 1 minute trade. Okay. They crossed our level very well. The reason why I didn't trade here is that there is a side trend in this range. Look. So there is a possibility of the candles returning. These are the points I explained in the Psychology of Candles videos. A downward trend, okay, we should have entered the trade at this point. As you can see, this has happened before. That's why there is a possibility of the chart moving upwards. Pressure from the dynamic levels. Okay. The downward trend. We are waiting for the trend to reverse and receive pressure from the level. The upward trend. As you can see, the chart has already reacted to this trend, and there is a possibility that the upward trend will continue. Well, don't forget that working in the financial markets is not an easy task and requires practice, learning, and effort. Value yourself, your time, and money, and don't trade in the financial markets without gaining enough experience and knowledge. Practice will help you to learn the tips of the strategies well and be able to use them to succeed in the financial markets. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. The broker registration links are also in the description section below the all videos. Click on the link, get a demo account of $10,000 and start practicing and trading. Dear friends, you are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video, bye.